Hi Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. I can't believe that real soon I will be hitting 20,000 subscribers. It's just amazing, and I have an awesome giveaway in place for when that takes place. So all of these names that are on the screen right now are the companies that are sponsoring this giveaway, so cannot thank you all enough. You've been totally generous. So there's going to be an international giveaway and there's going to be a UK giveaway. So for the international, Madame Glam have said that you can have 4 gel polishes of your choice. BeautyBigbang are going to give you their stamping plates from 47 to 58 and their stamping plate holder. Aimeili have given you the choice. You can pick which option that you want if you are the winner. SheModern have very kindly said that you can pick 5 foil arts of your choice. Born Pretty are going to give you a $20 coupon code to spend in their store. And for the UK giveaway, Chameleon Glitter are going to give their autumn winter glitter collection, which consists of 5 glitters. Modelones is going to allow you to have a gel polish collection of your choice. BeautyBigbang are doing the same prizes for a UK winner also, and Aimeili are doing exactly the same as well. So, big thank you for supporting both of the giveaways. All That Sparkles Glitter is going to be giving you a £30 coupon code as well to spend in their store. And finally, Kiki London are going to be giving you their latest release of gel polishes, which is the Festive Stars. So you've been majorly spoilt, Jelly Babes. The international giveaway total is over $200 worth of products, and the UK total is about £180. So that is absolutely amazing. Cannot thank these companies enough. And I love you, Jelly Babes, and I really want to give something back for all the fantastic support that you've given me over the years. So I really hope that you're excited about this giveaway. So all you got to do is get me to 20,000 subscribers, then this giveaway can go live. And obviously I will give you more details about how to enter when the giveaway is live. So just clarifying, it's not live now. Get me to 20k, and then you got the opportunity of getting your hands on these awesome prizes.